The 2014 Audi RS Q3 by ABT Sportsline. MTM Tuning presented its own program for the Audi RS Q3 a few weeks ago, and it was an impressive kit that played into the strengths of the German crossover. We applauded MTM then for its work, not knowing that another noted German tuner was on its way to revealing its own program for the RS Q3. Enter ABT Sportsline, the same company that has made it a mission to improve every Audi model, using the sophisticated science of customization. ABT Sportsline's program for the RS Q3 doesn't lack anything. Really, every aspect of the crossover was taken care of. Whether it's the improved output numbers or the new set of 21-inch wheels, the German tuner didn't leave any stone unturned on its way to decking out the RS Q3. We're not surprised by the things ABT Sportsline does. When it comes to versatile kits that offer a blend of everything, this tuner knows what it's doing. That's the case here with the Audi RS Q3, a sporty crossover that demands our attention. ABT Sportsline gave it that, and a whole lot more. Click past the jump to read more about the Audi RS Q3 by ABT Sportsline. Audi RS Q3 by ABT Sportsline in detail. ABT Sportsline added a new front skirt to the RS Q3, as well as a sporty decal set that gives the crossover a boost in aesthetic attitude. Out back, the RS Q3 received a new rear skirt set and a stainless steel, 4-pipe exhaust system. Make no mistake, the engine upgrade is the highlight of ABT's program for the RS Q3. In this instance, ABT pulled the wraps off of its new Power New Generation system, a control unit developed specifically for this kind of purpose. With the new system, the RS Q3 now boasts of 410 horsepower and 390 pound-feet of torque. That's a massive improvement of 100 horsepower and 81 pound-feet of torque from the RS Q3's standard output of 310 horsepower and 309 pound-feet of torque. ABT concludes its work on the RS Q3 by installing a new set of 21-inch ABT Dr. alloy wheels that look surprisingly spry, complementing the crossover's more aggressive aesthetics. Audi RS Q3.
If you liked this video, please share your thoughts in the comments below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button.